Welcome back, everybody. So today we're gonna be adding bigger tires to the Slash and a new body. So we're gonna make it look like a monster Slash. So we got a Slash 4x4. We're gonna be using the Proline Badlands beefy tires. Then we got the Proline extended body mounts that you're gonna need. That way the body will clear the tires. Then we got the Dodge Ram pickup, and then we're going to be using Plasti Dip. So we're going to be using black for the bed and the windows, and then white for the truck. Stickers and some tools. You're going to need a body reamer to make some holes. So we got the first step, we got the tires on. Now we're gonna be changing the extended post so we can see how well the body fits. So here's the kit. So for these posts right here, we need to put a set screw in the O-ring, so then we could put the mount on top. Okay, so we just got the body mounts. Now it's time to test the body out. So the body wasn't fitting, so I had to switch these around. So I had to put the longer ones in the front and the shorter ones in the back. So here's the body. I'm just gonna have to mark it down on the mounts, and then we have to ream them out. Also, I'm probably gonna have to go and cut the bumper a little bit so it doesn't rub when it comes down. So I'm just gonna have to extend it. So now it's time to go and Plasti Dip it. What are you guys doing? Hi. What are you guys eating? What is that? Oh, it's cake pop. Oh, lucky you.
My bike, please.
You guys want your bike? Okay, let me go get your bike. Alright, so it's getting dark pretty quick, so we're going to continue the video tomorrow. We're going to finish painting it, and we're going to put the stickers, and that should be it for the truck. And we're going to reveal it tomorrow. Well, in like a couple seconds. Next day, now I'm going to paint the windows in the bed. So I'm gonna go back, paint the inside white, put the stickers, and then we're gonna reveal the truck. So hopefully you guys liked this video. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go stare back at the truck before it gets all ruined up.